Another lazy afternoon. The clouds covered in gray. Third coffee of the day.
Hey you guys, today, believe it or not, it's a rainy and cloudy day in Maui. Day like this, I feel like really lazy. Sometimes I kind of pumped up, let's make some Korean pancakes and drinking makgeolli. Or sometimes I'm like, I feel like doing nothing, but I want to eat something good food still. So this is a recipe that this kind of day I make. So I'm going to show you how to make my favorite pasta. So this is like kind of Asian way of cooking pasta because we're not going to use cheese or none of that. So anyways, I have a boiling water back here. I'm going to add some salt, generous amount. Drop your favorite pasta. I like using spaghetti. While the pasta is cooking, we're going to make the sauce. It's super fast. The spaghetti takes about like 10-11 minutes depending on the brand, and the sauce will be done in that time. So you can actually use instant ramen noodles for this. So you can use whatever noodles you're gonna use. So you need 5 cloves of garlic. So you can slice them, you can chop them, however you want. Now I'm gonna turn the heat to medium-low and add a generous amount of EVA oil, extra virgin olive oil to cover the pan. Don't be shy because this is our sauce base. Go ahead and add the garlic. Chop 2 green onions. So this pasta dish is spicy, it's garlicky, it's umami, it's so good and so fast and quick to make with very minimum ingredients. You will love it. Go ahead and add all of these green onions. 1 fresh red chili or green chili. You can use a jalapeno or you can use serrano like me or Fresno, any chili that you can find, or you can just skip it. Or use dried red flakes. Now we are gonna season it with a pinch of salt, not too much because we are gonna add other ingredients to season. And if you hear some weird sound like a snoring, it's a samba. We are watching our neighbor's dog and she makes those snoring noise. She's so cute. Generous amount of black pepper because I love black pepper. Some yondu. When you smell all this aroma, this is time to add the mushrooms. So you need about 10 to 12 ounces of mushrooms. You can use whatever mushrooms that you want to use, buttonbell or shiitake or like literally anything. And by the way, thank you so much for the compliments for my new hair. I don't know how long I can actually keep up with my bangs because they are growing pretty fast. Okay, now I'm gonna add the mushrooms. Just separate with your hand and put it into the pan. When you add the mushroom, you will see a lot of this liquid, the oils and the sauce is like disappears because mushroom absorb all this liquid from the pan. But no worries because eventually they're gonna release their own moisture to the sauce. So nothing to freak out about. Ah, smells so good. So this is optional, only if you want to. If you're worried about sodium, you don't have to, but if you don't, you can. Just a little dash of soy sauce, probably about like a half teaspoon or so. Because soy sauce always adds great flavor and taste and fragrance to this to the dish. I got a big jumper. Ah, smells so good. The best part is this Asian style pasta. We don't need the cheese. I mean, you can add cheese if you want, but I find it absolutely not, what you call, is it necessary? It's not necessary. That's what I meant. Okay. My pasta is good to go. Let's add the noodles direct into the sauce. Little al dente. I don't know if you guys follow me on Instagram or not, but I went to Firenze and Roma with my mom because that was my goal of the year, take my mom to Europe. If you feel like you need a little more sauce, go ahead and add the pasta water. Turn up the heat. And this is how Italians finish their pasta. What do they call? I forgot the name of this thing. If you know, please comment down below. Let me know, my Italian friends. We're creating this beautiful sauce to stick all around to the pasta. It's like, yeah, the texture of the sauce is completely different. That's the workout of my day. Damn, I said this for the easy recipe and it's not easy right now. I'm sweating. I'm supposed not swear when I'm making this recipe. I do not eat my Asian pasta with fork. I eat with chopstick. I'll make sure you taste it first. These are called the perfection. Oh my god, it's so good. Okay, this little glass of wine, I'm set of the day. What did I say?
Set up the day.
Set for the day. Guys, if you liked my spicy garlic mushroom pasta, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more delicious, authentic, plant-based Asian recipes. This is the Asian version of pasta, so it's still Asian recipes, okay? And leave a comment down below. I love reading your comments, and yeah, I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye guys. Love you.
Cause it still feels like summer, and I simply don't wanna see the cold wind sneak back in our town. But I guess I'll just put on my favorite sweater and say goodbye to summer.